Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely common issue. I'll walk you through 2 simple steps to get your Setup Wizard working and allow the installation of Epic Games. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more guides. So, without further ado, let's start. First, open your PC and navigate to Disk C. Usually, this is where your Epic Games files are located. Go to the Program Files folder and find the Epic Games folder. Right-click on the folder and select Delete to remove it. Next, go to Program Files, x86, and look for any Epic Games folder there. If you find it, delete that folder as well. After removing the previous files, we needed to install a fresh setup, so now open Task Manager using the Windows icon. In the Task Manager on the left side, look for the Startup Apps section, then select Run New Task or Create New Task. In the dialog box, type the following command. Make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Next, click Browse and locate the Epic Games setup file. For me, it's on the desktop. Change the file type option from Programs to All Files, then select the Epic Games installer, click Open, and then hit OK. The Setup Wizard should now open, allowing you to install Epic Games successfully. Just complete the installation steps, and your issues will be fixed. Thanks for watching the video.